Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create abstract modern strips background design in Adobe Illustrator. Rectangle tool shortcut M. R27G20B65. Lock Control 2. Draw a line. Stroke weight 8 point. Stroke color R231 G0B40. Pen tool P. Draw line shape using with pen tool. Gradient panel Control F9. Left side gradient slider color R158 G0 B93. Middle gradient slider color R237 G28 B36. Right side gradient slider color R158 G0 B93. Make duplicate line shape. Use eyedropper tool to pick outline color. Stroke weight 16 point. Copy Ctrl C. Go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify steps 15. Go to object menu and blend and make. Alt Ctrl B. Lock Ctrl 2. Paste in front Ctrl F. Again go to object menu and blend and make. Alt Ctrl B. Unlock all. Alt Ctrl 2. Draw a horizontal box shape. Fill color R45 G10 B15. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select all Ctrl A and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Finally, your abstract model strips background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create modern strips background design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.